Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to design 3D eye bolt in SolidWorks. To learn the complete design of eye bolt, watch the video till end. So let's start now. First of all, in the SolidWorks design area, select the plane like front plane. After that, in the sketch, select the line and draw line. Draw a circle. The radius of the circle should be 20 and line length should be 80. Select line command and draw a line inside the circle and touch the circle circumference. The angle should be 45 degree. Now trim the all extra lines to open the circle face. Now the arc apply, click OK. Now the sketch is ready. Select the sketch and go to the feature sweep command. Circular and sweep should be 10 mm. Now it's time for chamfer command. Select the chamfer. It should be 1 mm. Select the edge. All parameters should be checked and click OK. Now our product is almost ready. Now it's our threading time. We create a thread. Select in the thread command. Click OK. Now this is important to selection the parameters of the thread, like the length of the thread should be 65 mm. Select the edge of T-bolt. I design metric dia, thread type metric dia, and thread size M10 multiply by 1.5. Also apply blend like offset 5 mm offset. As you can see, our thread is applied. As you can see, our product is almost final. Now just remain the color scheme. Select the appearance like metal, steel, polished steel. This T-bolt based on steel material. That's why we select steel, polished steel. It's look like realistic part. Now the 3D model of T-bolt has been done. I hope this video will enhance your 3D CAD skills. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and leave comments related to the queries. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.